I'm gonna guide your hand on this first, and then I'm gonna let you do the next. Okay? Alright, we cut it off.
Hold up. I ain't cut it off. I'm thinking like, yeah, I cut it off thinking we about to leave. I cut it off thinking we about to leave and I got sidetracked.
You still gotta put it down.
What do you think? Girl, you a fun, you like a damn kid. You gonna look at me like them damn kids do. I know I can make a straight line. Feel it. Oh, I told you that. Did you like that? I told you it's easy, ain't it? All right, come on. Now you gonna do it by yourself. I'm gonna strike it. Let me go.
Now you got to start a strike. Look, strike it like a play. Yeah. Now you gonna hold the rod. You gotta hit it hard. You got to step on it. Camera thing. Now it's good. See if you get that stuff on the head, baby. Tap it. Open it. You got to strike it like a man. But you can't be all aggressive with it. If you see me being aggressive, see what I'm doing. I'm finessing. Take your time, let's go. I'm getting my hand up off of it. Going up off of you. Remember, you gotta go down. Remember, you gotta push down and go back.
I'm gonna say you didn't feel me do that. You got everything. Like you told me, I can barely feel it. So that means I wasn't moving here. You gotta put everything is a finesse. The leg don't like butter. You gonna grab it all. And you gonna grab it and get it going gangster. Wherever you want to. All right, man, have fun.
Can't be that, you gotta be aggressive with. You gotta get the stuff off the head. Be aggressive. That's not aggressive. There you go. There you go. That's the part you gotta commit. Now you gotta commit. Take it off the bench.
If it gets stuck, that's what this for. That's why you hold it like this. If it gets stuck, you let it go.
Okay.
What is this stuff?